Okay, this is lab 6.4, the second question. And here we're using the retail method to estimate the amount of stolen merchandise. So we had a robbery and a large amount of inventory was taken, and that loss is covered by insurance. So we want to know how much to bill the insurance company for. The physical inventory count determined the cost of the remaining merchandise after the theft was $224,900. The following additional information is going to be used to do the calculation of the estimated ending inventory that should have been there. Okay, so our opening inventory, we have those records. So at retail, $589,000. At cost was $380,000. And then we added some purchases. And of course, we have to reduce those for the amount of the purchase returns and allowances. So subtract $10,850 on the retail side, and subtract $7,000 on the cost side. Now do a little math. $589,000 plus $454,150 is the estimate of cost of goods available at retail. And the cost of the goods available for sale, $673,000. We have all those records because we recorded the purchases, right? So we know how much inventory was there at the beginning. We added a bunch of new purchases, so this is how much was total available. Now, based on the fact that we sold $522,650 less sales returns of $6,500, we should be able to calculate the amount that should still be there in ending inventory. So we had the retail value of all of our inventory is $1,043,150. We sold essentially the retail value of $522,650. So we take that number and then we subtract our sales, the net amount of $522,650 minus the $6,500 which were returned. That gives us $527,000 as our estimate at retail. Now the retail method says we take this 527 and we assume the same markup on all of that, all of the inventory would apply to the inventory that's estimated to be remaining at the end. So if we take 527,000 and we use the same ratio, 673,000 divided by 1043150, it tells us that we should have $340,000 of estimated ending inventory. And of course we don't. We only have $225,000. So we're missing some stuff, and that was what was stolen. So the cost of goods sold would be the amount of cost of goods available for sale minus the $527,000. So our cost of goods sold would be $516,150. The cost of the stolen merchandise would be the $340,000, which we should have according to our calculation just above, and the $225,000 we had when we went out and made the inventory count to check what was left. So let's see what Lyrics thought of all of that. Lyrics agrees. So once again, the amount that was stolen is the $340,000 we should have had in inventory minus the $224,900 we actually had. And the way we calculated the $340,000 is shown here. First of all, we had cost of goods available at retail of $1,043. Then we estimate the ending inventory as $527, which means we assume that we sold $522,650 minus the $6,500 sales returns. The amount we sold comes out of the retail value of cost of goods available for sale, and then we use that $527,000 at the same ratio as the cost to retail cost of goods available for sale. We use that ratio to determine the amount of inventory we should have had, and that gives us the estimate of the ending inventory. And that takes care of it. We're done.